Welcome. Thank you for your time. This is a video from our Business Building Roadshow, and today we are talking about the importance of leadership and good governance in business transformation and in the automation of knowledge worker services. Please feel free to enjoy the other videos and to subscribe. To better ourselves, we need a way to improve. We need a process for improvement. In business transformation, a process for improvement needs to exist and to be actively supported by management and people of influence. We will look at this process for the answers to how a business better itself, how to grow profitably. All the expertise, all the answers exist within the business. It's a matter of talking to people, finding the people who know the answers, and then to implement it. It's a process of improvement starts with a need, a business need. And a lot of the time, it's sort of identified, it's perfunctory, but things only change when there is a real need with jobs at. It is then about talking to people at the coalface, people who do the day-to-day operations, who face the challenges every day in service delivery. They have the solutions, they know the issues, and they invariably have answers. It's a matter of prioritizing, adopting, and implementing. It's getting priorities, it's getting agreed ownership and responsibilities and priorities for implementation. It's getting it implemented, getting everybody skilled up, getting them trained, getting it adopted, and providing some reward and support, some recognition and reinforcement, so that people are engaged. They don't fear that by speaking out they're going to lose their jobs. They don't fear that they're going to get retribution by management when they identify areas for improvement. It helps to have an independent party facilitate the process, especially assist with the problem diagnosis, prescription, and remedy. But where management and people of influence are out there proactively walking around the business, seeing the issues, and taking actions to address, those businesses are successful. And this is the basis of a process for improvement. It is about ownership at source by empowered individuals and good leadership that is prepared to undergo the process, accept the feedback, and make the changes. Through this process, you create a sense of ownership, a sense of responsibility, and pride in who we are and what we do. Where workers are afraid to speak up, where their suggestions are ignored, where management feels threatened by people who have a better idea of what is going on, a business struggles. Without a process for improvement, a transformation will not. Please feel free to get further details from the book, including case studies, scenarios, exercises, and practical implementation details. The book is available direct from the publisher, Amazon, or other bookstores. Any author profits from the book and the videos go to charity and community purposes. Thank you for your time. Hope you enjoyed the session and look forward to your comments. Don't forget to subscribe so that we can help you, and please make the most of the other videos.